Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's video we're making this soup. Today I just want to have something different. I'm tired of eating soup with stockfish, dried fish, beef. Today I want to use just this protein from my soup. Only this is the only thing I want to be getting from my soup. So I seasoned with salt, fresh pepper, and a cube of seasoning. Then I will cover and then allow it to steam for 3 minutes, and this is it. At this point I will have to remove the fish one after the other, because you know now fish is very soft. I can't allow it to continue steaming. So I'll have to remove it and set it aside. Thank you. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Love you all. And if today is your first time, thank you so much for coming by. Please, if you like what we're doing here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. I love you. So this is how I'll be removing the fish one after the other until I'm done. I don't have to rush it so it doesn't segregate. I will then set aside. Then looking at the pot, you can see the water is already small. I will have to introduce more water to the pot. At least this quantity can cook my soup. I'll cover, allow it to boil, then return to those. One of the ingredients I'll be using today. So this is ogbono seed. I'll be using mortar and pestle to grind it. Someone actually told me that when you use mortar and pestle to grind ogbono, the sliming is more. It slimes more than when you use electrical grinder or manual grinder. So she said I should give it a try. That mortar and pestle will make the ogbono to slime very well. That I should give it a try. So I said, okay, let's give it a try and see how it's gonna turn out. At this point it's good to go. Look at how it is, looking so smooth. I guess it's good to go. So I'll have to return to my pot and then check if it's boiling. It's boiling, so I'll have to add the palm oil I'll be using for today soup. I'll then cover, but I didn't cover it fully. I'll come back, check, and this is it. I'll then have to add the next ingredients, which is the one I just blended. So this is it. So it looks as if the water is small, but in some cases they say when you use mortar and pestle it always come out very slimy. So let's see what is gonna happen, if it's going to be very slimy or not. So I checked on it, and then it has not really given me the texture I really want. It's okay, let me see, allow it to cook, because it looks as if the ogbono is not very cooked. So I'll just stay and still allow it to continue cooking, but I won't cover again. So I come back now, and then at this point the ogbono is well cooked. Yeah, it is is well cooked. It's time to start adding the next ingredients, which is okra and blended crayfish will follow suit, and then protein of the day. Yeah, it's time to add it. After adding, I will then stir. Remember, we added salt and a cube of seasoning while steaming the fish, so I will taste for salt, and if it is okay, I will stop. And of course it is okay, so I will just stir and then allow it to cook, and boom, my dear, it is ready. Hope you're celebrating. This soup is for all my subscribers, both new and old, and you contemplating whether to subscribe or not. You see, the soup, it is for you. Start getting the available swallow and start coming over. Is it pando potato? Is it some vita? Is it pounded yam? However, start coming. Let's dissect the soup because it is good to go. One thing I love about the soup is I got to get the real taste, yeah, using just one protein. Thanks for watching. Love you. Do a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.